I have leftover KFC chicken, and I want to see if I can turn this chicken into a whole new meal. A whole new meal. Don't you dare close your eyes. Chicken made from
Take
KFC.
the skin off the breast, it's better.
Like the theme music said, we're going to take the skin off the breast and all these pieces of chicken, but keep it to the side. We're going to use it. Then we're going to remove the meat into bite-sized chunks like so. By the way, the recipe's in the caption. We're going to prepare half an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a knob of ginger. Heat up some oil on your pan, and we're going to fry this all up for about 2 minutes or so before adding in our chicken skin. Give that a good stir around and cook for another 3 minutes. Put that to the side and then wash your rice thoroughly, and then add some water, but not enough to be covering it. Add in your chicken skin bits and pieces, and then we're going to cover with chicken stock, and that's going to make up the rest of our cooking juices there. Cover with your ghetto lid and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, bring it down to the lowest temp possible and cook for 15 minutes. Then it's done. Let's make the sauce, which is to die for. Get a knob of ginger, chop it up, chop some garlic and a whole bunch of spring onion. Chuck it all into a heat-proof bowl. Add some salt. Get your ghetto pestle of mortar and give it just a little crush. Then in a pan or a small pot, you're going to heat up some oil, but not olive oil because it will burn. Your oil's ready when your wooden chopstick starts to fry like this. Then very carefully, you're going to pull that over your ginger garlic mix, and it's going to sizzle my nizzle. Give it a good stir through, and that's ready. Using a small bowl, make a mountain of the chicken skin rice, top with your chicken pieces and that delicious sauce, guys. This was so bomb. I can't believe how well this turned out. Controversial, but this is just better than KFC. Make it and tag me because Nat said so. And follow for more. Okay, love you, bye.